In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable ActiveX in Microsoft Edge. First, let's begin by opening Microsoft Edge. You can do this by locating the Edge icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. The Edge icon looks like a blue and green wave. Once you find it, simply click on it to launch the browser. As the browser opens, you will notice the familiar layout with your favorite websites and the address bar at the top. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for all the following actions. By opening Microsoft Edge, you are preparing to make the necessary changes to enhance your browsing experience. Now, in the address bar, you will need to enter a specific URL. Type in edge/settings/ThinkIt and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will take you directly to the browser settings that are focused on the default browser configuration. As the page loads, you will see various options available to customize how Edge interacts with other browsers. This step is significant because it leads you to the precise settings where you can enable Internet Explorer mode, which is essential for activating ActiveX controls. Once you are on the default browser settings page, look for the section titled Allow Sites to be Reloaded in Internet Explorer mode. Here you will see a drop-down menu. Click on this menu to reveal the available options. Among these options, you will find Allow. Select this option to enable the feature. By doing this, you are allowing specific sites to reload in Internet Explorer mode, which will support ActiveX controls. This step is important because it ensures that you can access sites that rely on these older technologies, enhancing your internet functionality. After selecting Allow, the next step is to click on the Restart button. This button is usually located at the bottom of the settings page. By clicking Restart, you are confirming that you want to apply the changes you just made. The browser will close and reopen automatically. This is a crucial part of the process as it ensures that the settings you adjusted are properly implemented. You will see a brief loading screen as Edge restarts, and once it reopens, your changes will be in effect. Now that Microsoft Edge has restarted, you can test the changes to verify that ActiveX is enabled. Navigate to a website that requires ActiveX controls to function properly. As you do this, keep an eye out for any prompts or notifications from the browser. This step is essential because it allows you to confirm whether the settings you changed are working as intended. If everything is set up correctly, you should be able to access the content that relies on ActiveX without any issues. Once you've confirmed that ActiveX is enabled and functioning, remember that you can always revisit these settings if you need to make additional changes in the future. This flexibility is helpful as web technologies continue to evolve. You will feel confident knowing you can adjust your settings as needed. In summary, today you learned how to enable ActiveX in Microsoft Edge by opening the browser, accessing the default browser settings, allowing sites to reload in Internet Explorer mode, and restarting Edge. Each of these steps is vital for ensuring your browser can handle ActiveX controls effectively. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy browsing!